Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that involves promoting someone else's product or service in exchange for a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. In this video, we will cover the basics of affiliate marketing, the benefits of affiliate marketing, and some tips on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's product or service through an affiliate link. The affiliate link contains a unique tracking code that allows the merchant to track the sales generated by the affiliate. When a sale is made through the affiliate's unique link, the affiliate earns a commission on that sale. Benefits of affiliate marketing. 1. Low startup costs. Affiliate marketing has low startup costs, making it an accessible way for anyone to start making money online. 2. No inventory required. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to hold any inventory, handle shipping, or worry about customer service. Your job is to promote the product, and the merchant handles everything else. 3. Passive income potential. Once you set up your affiliate links, you can earn passive income on each sale made through your link. 4. Flexibility. As an affiliate marketer, you can work from anywhere in the world, at any time. You have the flexibility to work when it suits you best. How to become a successful affiliate marketer? 1. Choose the right product. It's important to choose a product that you believe in and that aligns with your values. This will make it easier for you to promote the product authentically and effectively. 2. Build an audience. In order to make sales as an affiliate marketer, you need to have an audience. This could be through a blog, social media, or email list. Focus on building a loyal audience who trusts your recommendations. 3. Be authentic. As an affiliate marketer, your audience trusts you to provide honest recommendations. Only promote products that you genuinely believe in and that you think will benefit your audience. 4. Provide value. In order to be successful as an affiliate marketer, you need to provide value to your audience. This could be through helpful blog posts, informative videos, or engaging social media content. 5. Track your results. It's important to track your results to see what's working and what's not. This will help you optimize your strategy and maximize your earnings. In summary, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online with low startup costs and the potential for passive income. By choosing the right product, building an audience, being authentic, providing value, and tracking your results, you can become a successful affiliate marketer. Thanks for watching.